Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots and the brain teasers. Now coming to the fourth sum, they simplify. Now square root of 0.0441 divided by the square root of 0.0004 and 41. Okay, so write the question, solve on the right hand side. So first it is a 0.0441. Okay, for the decimal place we are grouping from left to right. It is first 0 as it is. Now we have to take 4, isn't it? So 2 2s are 4. When you subtract 4 minus 4, 0. Bring 41 down, add 2, it will be 4. So 4 1s are 4. So you got how much? 0.21. Yes or no? So in the numerator, the answer is 0.21, and in the denominator, we'll see 0.000441. Okay. Now 0. Now for this 0 is zeros. Bring 04 down, add 0, 0. For this it will be 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Bring 41 down, add 2. 2 plus 2 4. 1s are 41. It is 0.021. Now we have to divide. Denominator is having 3 decimal place. Remove that by multiplying by 1000. Numerator also multiply by 1000. You will get in the numerator multiplied by 3 zeros. So the decimal moves to the right, so it becomes 210. And in the denominator, when the decimal moves to the right, it will be only 21. Now 21 ones are 21 tens are. So answer is 10. Is it clear? So find out the square root and then simplify. Now coming to the question number 2, subdivision. 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Here you can do directly. Plus 0.49. It will be 0.7 plus 0.0049. It will be 0.07. Isn't it? So the answer will be how much? 7.77. Yes or no? This is 7, 0.7, 0.07. 7.77. Easiest sum, isn't it? So according to the decimal place, you have to find out the answer. Okay, then we have completed question number 4. Now coming to the question number 5, the area of the square field is 101 1 upon 400 m squared, that is meter square, and the find the length of one side of the field. That means what? The area of the square field. We have to write the statements. So first, area of a square field is equal to 1011 by 400 meter square. Therefore, side of the square field, what is the formula? Square root of area, that is square root of 1011 by 400. Okay, when you multiply square root of denominator, it is 400 as it is. When you multiply 101 into 400 and plus 1, it will be 40401. We'll get 40401. So mixed number convert into improper. Now find out the square roots. That is square root of 40401 upon square root of 400. Already you know 400 is 20, isn't it? But here you show the method. So numerator, it is 40401. So it is a whole number from right side to left, isn't it? So it is 2 2s are 4. It is 0. Bring 0 4 down. Add 2. It will be 4. Here it is 4. Here it is 4. So you can't put even 1. So it is 0. Bring 4 down. The remainder is 4. Now bring 0 1 down. Add 0. It will be 40. Now here 401. So it will be 401. Hope you understood. Here it is 40. Here it is 401. So if you put 1, it will be 401. 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 4s are 4. So here you got 201. In the denominator 400. From right side we have to, it is 2 2s are 4. Bring 2 zeros down. Add 2. It is 4 0. Okay. 20, how much are 201? 20 tens are 200. 1 remains upon 20 meter. Because it is in meter square. Area is in meter square. So you have to write in meters. Okay, so answer, we'll write the length, one side of the square field is 10, 1 by 20 meter. Is it clear? So area is given, find out the side, that is square root of area, and the method, whatever we have learned, that same method we have to follow. Now coming to the sixth sum, it is what is that number which when multiplied by itself gives this number. So what is the number which when multiplied by itself? Let the number be x, which is the number which when multiplied by itself, means x into x is equal to x square, is equal to by itself gives 227.798649. 227.798649. That means x is equal to x squared is equal to so much. X is equal to square root of 227.798649. Find out the value. Okay, so 227.798649. The whole number side from right to left, so 27 and 02. On the decimal side, 79, 86, 49. Okay, now put the lines. It is 2, means 1. 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring 27 down. Add 1. It is 2. 2, how much are 12? 2 6 are, but it will be big, so 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12. When you subtract, you got 2. 2 minus 2, 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring 79 down. Put the decimal place immediately. Okay, now add 5. 5 plus 5, 0. 1 plus 2, 3. 3, how much? 2. Because it is 2 digits and here 3 digits. So, even if you put 1, it will be bigger. 301. So, now it will be 0. Okay. Hope you are understanding. Even if you put 1, here you will get 301, which is bigger. So, we have to put 0. So, write 279 as it is. Bring 86 down. Now, add 0. It will be 300 as it is. 3, how much are 27? 3 digit, 5 digit. So, we have to take 2 digits, isn't it? 3, how much are 27? 3 9s are 9 9s are 81, isn't it? Now 9 zeros are 0, 9 3s are 27. When you subtract, it will be 6 minus 1 5, 8 minus 8 0. Now 9 minus 0 9, 7 minus 7, 2 minus 2 0. Now bring 49 down. Add 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 0, 1. 0, 3. Now 3, how much are 9? Because 4 digit, 5 digit. 3 3s are 9. Ending with 9. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. Is it okay? So, it is a perfect square, isn't it? So, answer the given number is 15.093. 15.093. Is it okay? So, we have completed question number up to question number 6. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.